What kind of reading material, such as novels, magazines, or poetry, do you most like to read in your free time? Explain why you find this kind of reading material interesting. During my free time, I mostly like to read popular science books. That material is not directly related to my engineering profession, but it is quite close. First of all, I do not have time to read scientific material from every possible field in a detailed fashion. Popular science material gives me an introduction about something in what I might be very interested. And then, if I really get interested into something on that way, I choose to research it in more details. Secondly, popular science books are written in an interesting way. Since I'm doing some tutoring, I can learn from those books how to make my teaching more interesting. Those are a few reasons why I like popular science books. Describe an event in the history of your country and explain why you think it is important. Include details and examples to support your explanation. I live in the Republic of Serbia. However, I will talk about historical event that happened in my previous country, Yugoslavia. One very important historical event that happened in Yugoslavia was the Tito-Stalin split, or the Yugoslav-Soviet split in 1948. Few years after the World War II, Tito opposed to Stalin's wishes to let Yugoslavia become a member of the Eastern Bloc, and therefore become a satellite country of the Soviet Union, under the Stalin's dictatorship. Threat of war was very real. Yugoslavia started making friends at the Western Hemisphere and began to develop faster than other Eastern European countries. After this split, Tito formed the non-aligned movement. At this time, Yugoslavia was a respected country, not like today's banana republics of ex-Yugoslavia. I think that this is one of the most important events that have happened in my country. What is your most useful study aid? Describe it and explain why it is useful in helping you study. I'm studying doctoral studies in mechanical engineering at the University of Niš. My most useful study aid is the computer. The computer is very useful in mechanical engineering. There are many humdrum activities related with modeling and designing that can be done faster and can be made enjoyable by using software for computer-aided design. After that, I have more time to focus my attention on more important things. With the help of the internet, I can watch lectures held at the world's most well-known universities. I can download newly published research papers and download books that I cannot find in a library. Those are a few reasons why the computer is my most useful study aid. Where is your favorite place to study? Describe this place and say why it is a good place for you to study. I'm studying mechanical engineering at the University of Niš in Serbia. I'm dwelling in a student dormitory which is 11 stories high. On the third floor of the dormitory, studying rooms are located. Those rooms are my favorite place for studying. The atmosphere in those rooms is very quiet. Everybody who is studying there is respecting everybody else and is not making any noises. Also, I'm more concentrated on studying when there are others around me who are also studying. Besides, that place is the only place in the dormitory that is air-conditioned, and it can become really hot in the dorm from May until October. Those are the reasons why dorm studying rooms are my favorite place for studying. What is your favorite kind of food? Describe it and explain why it is your favorite. My favorite kind of food is pizza. It is tasty, there are varieties of flavors, and it is suitable for every occasion. The dough, cheese, and sauce are tasty enough on their own, but the chemistry behind how pizza cooks makes it so good. The dough is a complex chemical reaction between flour, salt, water, and yeast that combines with cheese and acidity of sauce in the oven. All this gives pizza's addictive flavor. Furthermore, pizza is suitable for every occasion. Pizza is great for a birthday party, an office celebration, a get-together to watch a movie or a game on TV. Pizza is a great family meal, and even a romantic dinner for two. Those are a few reasons why pizza is my favorite kind of food. Where would you like to go spend a vacation? Describe this place and say why would you like to holiday there. One of my dreams is to visit the Caribbean. Among all the islands there, most of all I would like to visit Jamaica. First of all, Jamaica is a mystic place. This island has fashioned its culture from the ground up. I especially like reggae. While I'm there, I would like to get plastered while I'm listening reggae at a club, and I would also like to visit the Bob Marley's Museum. Furthermore, I will probably be delighted with new experiences and adventures. Jamaica has exotic wildlife, astonishing flora, and astonishing species of birds. So those pictures will probably stay imprinted in my mind forever. Also, locals are very friendly, and there is a good chance that I will gain some of the most memorable moments in my life. Also, local cuisine from locally sourced meals is very tasty. Those are a few reasons why I would like to visit Jamaica. What is your favorite recreational activity? Describe it and say why you enjoy doing it. My favorite recreational activity is watching movies and TV series. By doing this, I can immerse myself into somebody else's life and reduce my focus on my everyday life problems. I'm currently studying doctoral studies in mechanical engineering at the University of Niš. I usually watch one episode per day and 2 movies per week. This helps me to relax my brain. Furthermore, this activity helps me in learning English. When I hear a new word, I immediately memorize it. The same is true with idioms. That is why watching movies and TV series is my favorite recreational activity.